Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to drive a Lamborghini Huracan. Begin by sitting comfortably, fastening your seatbelt, and adjusting mirrors and seat for full pedal control and visibility. Locate the start button, paddle shifters, drive mode dial, and parking brake. Practice gentle throttle and brake inputs while stationary to learn pedal travel and clutch feel if applicable. Keep calm and treat the car with respect as you prepare to move. Warm up the engine and systems before pushing the car. Cold oil and tires reduce grip and responsiveness. When starting off, apply gentle throttle and smooth steering to avoid abrupt weight transfer. Use short, controlled inputs for parking and low-speed maneuvers to prevent scrapes. Learn the feel of the accelerator and brakes progressively, and practice in empty areas until confident with the Huracan's bite and feedback. Choose the right drive mode for road or track to match grip levels and steering weight. Approach corners by braking straight, then trail brake gently into the apex and apply throttle smoothly on exit to manage oversteer risk. Use progressive steering inputs and avoid sudden corrections that unsettle the chassis. Always obey local laws, use safe venues like tracks for speed work, and consider instruction to improve technique and confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.